Hello everybody, it's Dr. Nick, and I'm going to show you how to eat a cracker. First you open the cracker packet. It's all you need, which as you can see I've already done. You take all the crumbs out, and you take the cracker out. You take the cracker, and then set it in your mouth. And what you do? It's very yummy and it tastes so good. And then you pick up the crumbs off your table and you eat the crumbs. It's very easy. You should try it. Thank you. It's Dr. Nick.
Please subscribe.